Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton Atlanta Downtown. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, fitness center and a tea/coffee maker in all rooms. Home2 Suites by Hilton Atlanta Downtown is located in Atlanta, 1,300 feet from CNN Center Studio Tour and 1,650 feet from Centennial Olympic Park. Free Wi-Fi is provided to guests. All rooms are equipped with a kitchenette, which includes a 2-burner stovetop, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Private bathrooms include a bath or shower. For your comfort, you will find free toiletries and a hairdryer. An on-site fitness center is available for guests to enjoy. Additional services and facilities include a 24-hour front desk and launderette facilities. Free wireless printing is available. Georgia World Congress Center is 1,650 feet from Home2 Suites by Hilton Atlanta, while Phillips Arena is 1,650 feet away. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is 8.1 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.